Hey everyone, and welcome to Grammar Guru Peedom Plus. Are you ready to learn some super common English mistakes that even some advanced speakers make? Don't worry, we are all in this together. Today we are going to uncover these sneaky errors and most importantly, learn how to fix them. Let's get started. Why is it important to use correct English? Well, it helps you speak clearly and confidently. Imagine people understanding exactly what you mean. No more confusion. When you write well, your messages look professional and trustworthy. And if you're thinking about your career or meeting new people, good English can really open doors for you. Remember, the way you speak and write shows what you know and how confident you are. So let's boost that confidence together. All right, it's quiz time. Look at these two sentences. Let's discuss about the issue. And let's discuss the issue. Which one sounds right to you? I'll start counting up to 3. And we'll reveal the answer in the next step. Here starts your time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is let's discuss the issue. Did you get it right? The mistake here is using about after discuss. You see, the word discuss already includes the meaning of talk about. So saying discuss about is like saying talk about, repeating the word. We don't need to repeat about. Remember this simple tip. Just say discuss the problem, discuss your ideas, discuss the plan. No about needed. Another quick quiz for you. Which of these sounds correct? The idea is better or the idea is more better. This one might sound a little strange. What do you think is the right way to say it? Here starts your time. 1, 2, 3. The correct sentence is the idea is better. The mistake is saying more better. Now, this might sound a bit confusing, but think of it this way. Better already means more good. It's a comparative word. It compares two things. So adding more in front of it is like using two comparing words together, which isn't right in English. Just remember, if something is better, it's already more good. Here is our next quiz. Which one is correct? I didn't know you were here. Or I didn't knew you were here. Pay close attention to the verb after didn't. What do you notice? Here starts your time. 1, 2, 3. The correct way to say it is I didn't know you were here. The mistake is using knew after didn't. When we use did not or didn't, we always use use the base form of the verb. The base form is the simple form of the verb, like know, go, see, eat. So it's I didn't know, I didn't go, I didn't see, I didn't eat. Easy, right? Okay, This next one can be a bit tricky for many learners. Which sounds right? Between you and I or between you and me? Think about who is receiving the action in this sentence. Here starts your time. 1, 2, 3. The correct phrase is between you and me. The mistake is using I after the word between. Between is what we call a preposition. After words like between, to, from, with, we usually use the object form of pronouns. These are words like me, him, her, us, and them. So remember, between you and me, to him, from her, with us. Got it? Last quiz for now. Which sentence sounds more natural to you? He's having a car, or he has a car. Here starts your time. 1, 2, 3. The correct sentence is he has a car. The mistake is saying he is having a car when you mean he owns it. The verb have can sometimes use the ing form like I am having dinner, meaning I'm eating dinner. Or she is having fun, meaning she is experiencing fun. But when have means to own something like a car, a house, or a phone, we usually use the simple present tense. He has a car. She has a new phone. I have I have a big house. These are called stative verbs. They describe a state, not an action. All right, let's quickly review what we have learned today. Remember these 5 common mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1, don't say discuss about. Just say discuss. Number 2, more better is not correct. Just say better. Number 3, after didn't, use the base form of the verb like didn't know. Number 4, it's usually between you it's usually between you and me, not between you and I. And number 5, when talking about owning something, say he has a car, not he's having a car. Great job, everyone. Now that you have learned these important corrections, are you ready for more ways to sound fluent in English? In our next video, we'll be sharing 5 powerful phrases that will really help your conversations flow. Make sure to subscribe to Grammar Guru Peedom Plus so you don't miss out on any easy and practical English tips. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And tell us in the comments below which of these mistakes were you making most often. We'd love to hear from you. Oh, and don't forget, there's a free PDF of today's tips in the description below. Download it and keep practicing. And that's it for today's lesson. For even more easy ways to learn grammar, don't forget to subscribe to our sister channel, Grammar Guru Peedom. We also share quick English tips on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram, so make sure to follow us there too. All the links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. I'll see you there.